Hello friends, so today I will walk you through creating a Pareto chart in Excel. So let's start it. Here's our data. This column is categories and this one the frequency or counts. So once once our data is entered, we need to rearrange the data in a descending order. In a descending order, okay, so category, okay, and then we need to calculate the cumulative percentage, right? Percentage. In this column, we enter the formula to calculate the cumulative percentage. The formula adds up frequencies from the first category to the current row and divides it by the total sum of all the frequencies. And you can see the formula here, right? From the first row, right? The first data, right? To the Okay, so it's from the first category to the current row and divides by the total sum of all frequencies. You see, right? And you change this to the percentage. Yeah. So we drag the formula down to apply it to all rows. Drag down. Okay. So now we have our cumulative percentages. So now we need to create the chart, right? So we select the category and the frequencies, including the cumulative percentage columns. Then we go to the insert tab and choose the insert bar. Okay, we go to the insert tab and we go to the insert bar, right? This bar chart, right? Bar chart, right? Okay, insert the bar chart, right? A bar chart and the bar chart will appear like this, right? Next, we right click on the chart and choose the change series chart type. Change series chart type, and in the dialog box, we select this one line, right? And we put the secondary axis, right? Okay. Then we add the axis and so now we have our Pareto chart with bars representing the frequencies and a line representing the cumulative percentage. Okay, so now we add axis titles and chart title to make the chart clear. So let's add the axis titles and chart title. So we click here to add the chart title, whatever the, for example, right? Whatever. Okay, and chart title, right? So and there you have it, a Pareto chart created in Excel and is ready for analysis. We use this chart to identify the most significant uh, factors and prioritize our action accordingly. So thank you for the watching. Now we are equipped to create Pareto charts in Excel for our data analysis project.